Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks for 2025. Today, we're tackling a super handy feature: how to hide the Google Chrome toolbar on your mobile device. Whether you're on Android or iOS, this simple tweak can give you more screen space for browsing, reading, or watching videos without those distracting UI elements getting in the way. Let's dive right in. First off, why would you want to hide the toolbar? In 2025, with bigger screens and more immersive apps, freeing up space makes your browsing experience smoother and more enjoyable. Plus, it helps with battery life by reducing on-screen elements. Now, the steps are straightforward, but they might vary slightly depending on your device and Chrome version. Step 1. Open the Google Chrome app on your mobile device. Make sure you're updated to the latest version for 2025 features. Step 2. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner. This is your gateway to settings and options. Step 3. Scroll down and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Look for the Site Settings or Advanced section, depending on your OS. Step 4. In the settings, find the option labeled. On Android, it might be under Accessibility or a dedicated. For iOS users, the process is a bit different. Go to Settings within Chrome. Then tap Content Settings, and look for Request Desktop Site, or use the Reader mode for a cleaner view. To restart the app. Remember, this feature might not work on all sites due to security reasons, but it's perfect for everyday use. There you have it. Hiding the Chrome toolbar is a game changer for mobile browsing in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.